Car deductions are a big deal for a lot of people. People that are in sales, people that do have fleets of vehicles, people that use a vehicle of some kind in a business. They're real concerned about how do I deduct that? It's a common question. There's two general ways of doing it. One's actual cost. How much did you spend on gasoline? How much did you spend on fuel, maintenance, oil changes, tires, you name it. The business percentage of those expenses is deductible to arrive at your taxable income. Key element is to have good records. You have to have, the tax code says you have to have adequate written records. What are those? The best ones are contemporaneous records. Most people don't like to provide them. On our website we have a way for you to capture those things. But the idea is that you have a log in the car, that you know what the date is, you know where the purpose of the trip was, you know where you went, for how many miles you drove it, and then developing what's the business percentage use of that vehicle. If you drive it 12,000 miles a year and you use it 8,000 miles for business, 3/4 of it is for business. That 75% then is applied to those expenses we talked about, and that's how you arrive at your business deduction generally. Second piece is you can use what's called a standard mileage rate. You still have to have good records. You need to know that on January 10th I drove from point A to point B. The business purpose was it was X number of miles. Currently the mileage rate for business is 50 cents a mile. So it's simple to compute, it's easy to understand, and lots of people like the standard mileage rate for that. If you dispose of the vehicle, there's still an element that you have to go back and pick up some depreciation or account for the depreciation of the vehicle. But oftentimes people who trade cars don't have to worry about it. They just roll that into the next car. If you've got questions about that, it's a common one we get to talk about. Feel free to call us here at McRuer CPAs. I'm Scott McRuer. We'd be happy to help you.